Number 5. I think Dad had a long day.
Oh my God.
Number 4. Plane with no pilot. Number 3. Gramps is a retired pilot.
Oh my God.
Number 2. Bro is multi-snoring. Number 1. What's bro saying?
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Please like, comment your favorite below, and subscribe. Thanks.